bathroom is too close to the desks at the office.
Yes, it's actually really weird. Like, people aren't even drinking water in order to not go to the bathroom.
So we installed an audio system, and I think that's going to take care of the problem. It's really cool. So we have this Sony surround system. We have a 5.1 system up here in the main room, and then we install speakers all over the office, inside and outside the bathroom. That should absolutely mute the peeing sounds.
Amazing idea. Wow. Like music in every room. Wow.
Yeah, so there's an issue.
Hello?
Good.
So whenever we're on a remote call up here, since the speaker is connected to the system that's connected to the rest of the office, you might hear that.
That looks good.
Oh, thanks. That's what I needed.
I guess I'll see you next week.